Is your Apple gift card giving you more headaches than happiness? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, we will help you solve that problem. First things first, let's make sure the gift card is actually activated. Believe it or not, sometimes they aren't activated at the time of purchase. You can usually call the store where you got the card from to verify this. Okay, next, carefully scratch off the silver film on the back of your card if the code isn't already revealed. Double check that you are entering the redemption code correctly. It's very easy to mistake similar looking letters and numbers like EG and A6 or an O and a 0. Now, are you trying to redeem your card in the App Store or for something else? Some gift cards may only be valid for specific purchases if the gift card is an older one. It may only be valid in an Apple Store and not online. If you're still running into issues, head into your Apple ID settings, then tap Media and Purchases. From this menu, select View Account and go to Purchase History to ensure you haven't already redeemed the card but forgot about it. Be aware that older Apple Store gift cards with the Apple logo are primarily for hardware and accessories, while the newer Apple gift cards that feature a colorful design are usually redeemable for both digital and physical products. If you've tried all of these tips and your card is still not working, contact Apple support directly. They will be able to look into the card and your account to figure out what's going on. Hopefully these steps have helped you to finally use your Apple gift card. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks.